Hi everyone, Chim here. Today I will bring to you one of the most fancy Converse and one of the best colorway that I've ever seen in my knowledge of sneaker. So here is the one that I mentioned to you. Wow, it is super nice. As you all know from the review about my low top sneaker, that I super love the midnight green colorway from Converse, and this sneaker, in fact, I think one of the trendiest sneaker beside the all-time basic traditional black Converse Chuck 70, and this is the Chuck 70 midnight green, which is also super elegant and super like practical, that can literally go with any other type of outfit that you can think of. And this colorway is also like fit for both male and female, so nice with any other type outfit. I have to say it again, oh my god, I'm super loving this sneaker. I'm a huge fan of it, so I cannot like hold myself back from expressing my liking and my interest in this sneaker. Okay, so let's have a quick look. This sneaker, the Converse Chuck 70 Midnight Green, is basically a Chuck 70 model. So it has all the features of Chuck 70 that you can think of. The outsole made by plastic, a very polished midsole, which is a very like signature feature of Chuck 70, and this sneaker is quite heavy compared to some other type of sneaker. And this one, it has a black stripe here and a black stripe up here to go around all of the shoe, and at the back it has the Chuck 70 stamp. So this sneaker, I don't have to mention a lot because you can all know it has a very clean stitching go alongside all of the pieces, and it looks super fit, super elegant, and you can see that the laces also have the ivory color which match the midsole, so it looks super nice. And this sneaker, it has a logo here, which is a basic signature of Converse Chuck 70. So for the model I have in my hand, it is the Asian version. So you can all see that it has some ventilation holes here for extracting the heat during the summer, I believe. So it also have the metal pieces of irons on the laces to make the shoe look better. So this is just like a quick review, a quick look of this model. And I think, as in the last video, a friend have told me that this colorway is not so popular in their country, but in fact in my country, Vietnam, this is a super popular colorway, just only a little bit behind the black and white and parchment. This is the top 3 most favorite colorway. So that's it. Hope you enjoy my video. And about the fit, I think it is like a quite true fit like any other type of Converse. About the prices, I purchased this sneaker as I remember a very interesting story. So actually when buying this sneaker, I have to like only buy the sneaker, but I'm accidentally hit to buy like 3 extra laces that I have no intention. But so the actual price of this sneaker is just only around $50 US. In my assumption, I will put the correct number here. So see you again in the next episode of Chim Sneaker. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Love you guys.